Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel Little Secret Book. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a perfect mini buns at home. So let's go and make it.
First of all, you need sugar, yeast and milk and a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast and 130 milliliters of milk. Give it a good stir, close it and then wait for 10 minutes. Then you need milk powder, sugar, 1 egg, 300 grams of flour and then butter. To earlier used bowl, put 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1 egg and then give it a good stir. And then you have to combine flour with the milk powder. I have used about 2 teaspoons of milk powder. Put that mixture to the bowl little by little, but make sure you're giving a good stir to that. Then add 50 grams of butter to your mixture and then keep stirring it. Your mixture should be looks like this. If you get this look, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it on your hand. I'm using tabletop because it's easy for you to knead your dough. You have to knead it for about 5 minutes at least. When your 5 minutes is up, you have to take a bowl and then butter it up. Make sure you use oil or butter to your dough as well. Close or wrap it up your dough at least for about 45 minutes. My dough looks like this after 45 minutes and it's double sized. Wow! Remove air bubbles from your dough and then again knead it for about 2 minutes. Cut your dough as you prefer. I cutted it like this for 6 pieces. Apply butter to your baking tray. Then add parchment paper to it and apply butter to your parchment paper as well. Knead your doughs one by one and make a shape of it as much as you like. I prefer like this and I've shaped it like this. Place each dough on the baking tray like this. Again, wrap it up for 10 minutes. Each dough should be double sized after this 10 minutes. While you wait, preheat your oven for 10 minutes on 170 degrees. Place your baking tray to the preheated oven for 20 minutes. You should bake for 170 degrees. After you bake it for 10 minutes, the buns should be looks like this. Yay! Time is up, guys! Have a look on our mini buns. It's bakery perfect and it smells so nice. Selected 1 mini buns to show you guys how perfect it is. Perfectly baked and perfect taste. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you guys loved this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Catch you guys soon on my next video. Bye bye.